Are you looking for the best sewing machines for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine is a lightweight and portable sewing machine with that cool graphics on the front side that your kid would love. It has all the necessary features to get a kid started with its first ever sewing project. The sewing machine has 27 built-in stitches, which are more than enough. Although, since the purpose of getting a sewing machine for your kid is to get them to learn to sew, they will not require these many built-in stitches. But if you are getting a budget sewing machine for your kid with 27 built-in stitches, that's a bonus. It has one-step automatic buttonhole and delivered with 6 different sewing feet. The instruction manual explains how to change feet easily. The sewing machine comes with a jam-resistant, top drop-in bobbin and LED lights to lit the work area. It has some really cool features like an automatic needle threader, easy threading system, easy bobbin winding that will help the kid start its own. The other features of this sewing machine are stitch selection dial that can be used to choose stitch of your choice easily. The mechanical stitch selector is more convenient for the kids over the computerized one. Brother XM2701 is a versatile sewing machine with many good features, and the cool part is, it fits in your budget. At number 2. Brother XR3774 Sewing Machine. If your kid is around 10 and looking for a slightly advanced sewing machine, then go for Brother XR3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine. It wouldn't only help the kid learn fashion sewing but also learn to make quilts as well. It is a versatile sewing machine, good for beginners with plenty of features for this price range. This feature-packed sewing machine is a user-friendly, lightweight sewing machine that you wouldn't regret buying for your kids. This sewing machine will help your kid learn more than regular sewing. It has 37 built-in stitches to choose from with the help of mechanical rotatory dial. The features like a jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin, easy threading, built-in automatic needle threader, and one-step automatic buttonhole make it a good choice for the kids. Brother XR3774 is a slightly advanced sewing machine and have a stop stitching speed of 800 stitches per minute. It is advisable to supervise your kid when they use the sewing machine. Also, set the stitch speed very low for your kids. It is delivered with an extension table to make quilts comfortably. At number 3. Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. If you are among those people who think for a long term, and if your kid has attained an age to easily understand a sewing machine and how to operate it, there could be no better choice than Brother CS6000i. It is a versatile sewing machine and the best sewing machine for kids as well as an adult who wants to learn to sew. So if you buy it, you and your kid both can learn to sew together. It has many great features and that will help you to learn fashion sewing as well as making quilts. This is the sewing machine that has a lot of positive reviews online and many happy customers. Brother CS6000i is one of the best-selling sewing machine model, which is good for the beginner as well included beginner kids. As we said above, you must supervise the kid when they use any type of sewing machine. It has 60 built-in stitches to select from with the push button below backlit LCD screen that displays stitches along with other settings. Among the beginner-friendly features, Brother CS6000i comes with an automatic needle threader, easy threading system with explained with directions and speed controller to limit the speed when the kid uses this sewing machine. This is a great sewing machine if you don't want to invest in a very basic sewing machine. At number 4. NEX Portable Sewing Machine. The NEX Portable Sewing Machine is a compact-sized machine, not a full-size machine, that has 12 different stitches. This machine operates either on battery or with a power cord. Please be mindful that the sewing machine will not operate if you use the battery and the power cord at the same time, you might even break it. So if a child is using this machine, the adult should choose the power source and then put the other one away. This beginner's machine comes with a drawer, a light, and a thread cutter. It has 2 speeds, low and high, and can accommodate forward and reverse sewing. The smaller machine is a good size for beginning sewing enthusiasts. It doesn't have too many features to distract children from the basics of sewing. We love the battery compartment that makes this machine perfectly portable. It is a sturdy machine and good for learning and teaching best sewing practices on a basic level. The simplicity of this machine is its best feature. For a new hobbyist, having fewer things to mess up ensures that the frustration level doesn't exceed the joy in creating. At number 5. Luby Sewing Machine for Beginners. The Luby Sewing Machine for Beginners is easy to operate and has many accessories. This entry-level sewing machine comes with video tutorials and a user guide. The Luby Sewing Machine is a good choice for children and beginners. It has 12 built-in stitches, including a 4-step buttonholer. It can sew 350 stitches per minute. The bobbin is magnetic, so be sure to use an iron bobbin if you need to replace it. The Luby Sewing Machine for Beginners is not a toy, it's an actual sewing machine that's just smaller and more basic. But it has a real needle and uses real thread, so it's a great machine for teaching children how to sew. The machine is marked with numbers so that children and beginners can follow the threading steps. It's a great starter machine and has different stitching options for practice. Also good for practice is the foot pedal. It's compact and lightweight and easy to put away after use. The Luby Sewing Machine for Beginners is a great choice for children, teens, and adults beginning sewers to learn how to sew before they attempt to sew on a more complicated machine. At number 6. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a fully functional sewing machine in a compact size. It has double threads to ensure that stitches stay strong, especially good for repairs. It's easy to use and does not have the complex features of other full-size machines, so it's a good choice for children and beginners, or as a second machine for quick fixes when you don't have time to pull out the heavier machine. It operates with one basic stitch, so beginners can practice their threading, pedaling, pace, and bobbin threading. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine comes with a 42-piece sewing accessory kit, including 16 bobbins, 16 spools of thread, 5 needles, a threader, a seam puller, a thimble, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure, as well as an extension table to stabilize the machine. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine does a great job on straight seams. It's a simple machine for learning how to sew. With only one stitch to master, a child can complete smaller projects like doll clothes, pillows, and drawstring bags. We like that this machine is compact for easy storage, and lightweight so that you take it out and set it up easily. In fact, if you have a larger machine that you don't keep out all the time, you might consider buying this one as a lighter, compact machine for hems and repairs. At number 7. Sew Mighty Mini. The Mighty Mini is ideal for children and beginners, and also does the job for more advanced hobbyists when they're on the go or need to do quick alterations. Although it's tiny, it's mighty, lightweight and durable. A great machine to introduce children to the joys of sewing, and is a faithful companion on long RV trips and other traveling. The Sew Mighty Mini Sewing Machine was created as a portable, sturdy, easy-to-use alternative to a full-sized machine. It's equally adept as a training machine and as a tackler of small sewing jobs at home or on the go. The Mighty Mini model includes a drop-in lower bobbin and a 2-speed motor that is controllable by the foot pedal or by hand. To ensure you have lots of practice with neat and straight stitching, the Mighty Mini comes with 4 bobbins, 2 needles, a needle threader, and an automatic bobbin winder. It also comes with a 60-inch tape measure, a foot pedal, an instruction manual, and an AC adapter. The Sew Mighty Mini Sewing Machine is a great machine for both new and experienced hobbyists. For established stitchers, this mini machine is great for smaller jobs, RV trips, or other travel needs. Weighing in at less than 3 pounds, you can take it just about anywhere.